Good morning, students. In your last classes, you have learned about the life cycle of a silkworm and the production process of silk. Now, today I will make you familiar with the process of wool production. This topic also lies in the same chapter, that is fiber to fabrics. Before starting this topic, I would like to remind you people about the animals that yield wool. That animals are Angora goat, Kashmir goat, llama, alpaca, camel, and yak. Dear students, do you know that how this wool is obtained from these wool bearing animals? Today we will study about the process of wool production. Well, this process involves mainly 6 steps, that are shearing, scouring, grading, dyeing, drying and spinning. Now we will discuss about these steps one by one. The very first step is shearing. It is the process of removal of fur or hair from the coat of an animal. It is done annually in spring or summer months. Usually a manual razor, blade or special clippers are used to shear the wool. Sometimes fallen or loose hair from the animal's skin are also collected for this purpose. Afterwards, scouring. In this process, the sheared hair is washed properly to remove dirt, dust and grease. It is done by machines. Then grading. This process involves grouping wool fibers according to their length, color and texture. Grading can also be done according to the quality of wool. Well, students, there are some parameters to judge the quality of wool, that are length, durability and elasticity, absorption of moisture, insulating nature, crumb and fire resistance. Now I am going to make you familiar about these parameters. Like the very first one is length. A good quality wool fiber is longer than the coarse one. Next is durability and elasticity. A fine quality wool is durable, means it retains its appearance even after using it many times. An elastic wool can be bent back on itself more than 20,000 times without breaking. Next is absorption of moisture. Wool fiber absorbs moisture from our body and keeps the body warm. Next is insulating nature. The wool fibers have tiny gaps to trap air. It makes wool a perfect insulator. Next is crumb, means a folded or compressed edge. The crumb or bends in the wool fibers make it soft and spongy. Finer the fibers, more will be the crumbs. So merino fiber has more crumbs. It means it is more durable wool. Now for the dyeing, means coloring the wool. Since the natural color of sheep's or goat's hair is white, brown or black, so the sheared wool is dyed in different colors. Then drying. In this process, containers of wool are put through rollers to squeeze out as much water as possible. Then at the end, spinning is done. In this process, the fibers are straightened, combed and rolled into yarns. Students, the fibers which are longer are made into wool, which is used in knitting sweaters, and the shorter fibers are used to weave woolen fabrics. This was all about the process of wool production. Well, there is one more interesting term, that is bioclip. Bioclipping is a new wool harvest technology in which the sheep is injected with a special hormone. Then it is wrapped in tight hair nets so that the fleece can be peeled off after every 3 weeks. This technique was invented by Australian scientists to remove wool from sheep without shearing. One more interesting fact about wool, that is mainly about Shahtush wool. This wool is also known as the king of wools. This wool is obtained from the underfur of Tibetan antelope or chiru. The shawls made from this wool are so fine or light that they can be passed through a ring even. As the antelopes were killed to get this fur, therefore these shawls are declared illegal in international market to stop killing of antelopes. At the end, at last, dear students, do you know about the uses of wool? There are some common uses of wool, that are wool is used to make winter clothes like sweaters and shawls. It is used to make blankets, carpets and upholstery. Upholstery is the padded covering for sofas and furniture. It is also used for soundproofing. For this purpose, mineral wool is structured in the form of a mat of fibers which prevents the movement of air and reduces the noise. Because noise travels by vibrating the air particles, and the wool prevent the movement of air and thus result in reduction of noise. Well, this was all about your today's topic. I hope the lesson will be beneficial for you people. Thanks for watching my video. I will be back with your next topic in upcoming days. Take care dear students and have a good day.